ke sithi Setswana sa ko hae mara ka Zama, so we can talk. Lebitso la ka ke Keleabetswe, Batswana ke Keleabetswe, ke abetswe batswadi ba ka ba mfa lona lebitso leo. And then sa Sekgowa ke Precious, Fane ke Dire. Ke goletse mo Joburg, my papa o tswa ko Maboloka ko Brits, so ke Motswana wa ko Brits, and mama ke Motswana wa ko Kimberley. And then ka gola ka mo Joburg, so Setswana sa ka ke sa mo Joburg, ke tlhakantsha le sa Kimberley. Go na le Sepedi ka o Rakgadi le bona ke Mapedi, ba nyala Mapedi, so ke tlhakane. So I ke Motswana, ke mo Africa. Yeah, so then Setswana sa ka ke sa mo South Africa. Setswana sa ka se na le Sepedi, Setswana sa ka se na le Sekgowa. Alright, so in short, my name is Keleabetswe, Precious Dire, and I was born in Kimberley. I was raised in Joburg, and my dad is from Brits. So Kimberley and Brits Tswanas are different. That's why my Tswana is different. And I also mix it with Joburg Tswana, which is slang that has Afrikaans, that has Zulu in it and everything. So I don't call myself a Tswana, I call myself a South African of the language that I speak. So yeah, I thank you for inviting me. Yeah.